From my upcoming book, Experiences, Ancient History. Regardless of what the experts say, the intelligentsia who know that poetry is but child's play for those like me, unable to grow in wisdom as they write away, scribbling nonsense as they go, unrefined, forgetting the way, meaningless they write for show, in ignorance of rhythm and rhyme. They do not see the poetry they pen is old and out of time, much like ancient history.